Welcome again to our port forwarding videos. In this video we are going to see how to open a specific port from the router's interface. For this first example we will use the TNW Matr-x router, and let's say we need to open port 52000. Okay, the information that we need before we begin is the router's IP address and the PC IP address. Okay, let's see now our IP settings. Open Network and Sharing Center. Go to Change Adapter Settings. Left click on Local Area Connection if you are connecting by Ethernet, or the wireless connection if you are connecting by wireless. Click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Okay, and as we can see, our current IP address that we statically assigned is 192.168.1.10, and the default gateway, which is the router's IP address, is 192.168.1.1. If you do not know how to statically assign an IP address for a computer, please refer to our first video. So we are done from here. Click OK, click Close. Okay, now let's continue by showing you the way to confirm that this port is open or closed. The most valid and easy way is to download a port checker tool. I have already downloaded and installed it for conserving time. The download link is in our video's description. So let's open our tool. Okay, you see here that the port number to check is 52000 and the protocol is TCP. So click Check Me. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, you can see that your port is not open or not reachable. Let's check for UDP also. Okay, once again we have the same result. Okay, let's change that. Okay, to open your router's interface, to access your router's interface, open your preferred web browser, let's say Google Chrome for example, and in the address field type your router's IP address and then press enter. Okay, you see here that we're being prompted for the administrator username and password. For this router, the default username and password is the word admin for both of the fields. So click Connect. Okay, and this is our router's interface. The option that we are looking for is in the Advanced Setup, in NAT, and in Virtual Servers. Okay, you see here that I have already opened some ports for some applications, for my remote desktop and my torrent client. So we want to add another one, so click Add. Okay, most of the routers have already a list of known applications that require some ports to open, but you'll find that this list is outdated. Okay, but let's see an example for like Diablo 2. Okay, you see here that if I select an application, it automatically lists some ports that this application require to run the multiplayer mostly, or anything. But we will see the general idea. So you select the custom server, and in this field you type a name. It doesn't matter what name you will type, it's just for reference. So let's type, for example, Geeks101. In the server IP address you will type your computer's IP address. As we said, our computer IP address is 192.168.1.10, and in this field you will type the ports that you need to open. You have an option if you need to open some ports that are continuous, let's say for example from 52,000 until 53,000. Okay, you see here that in the external port start you type the 52,000, in the external port end you type 53,000. But if you need to open a specific port, like our example that we need to port 52,000, just type the same port number in both of these fields. In the remote IP, don't type anything, leave it blank. Okay, then select the protocol. It's better if you do not know what protocol your application uses, select both TCP UDP and click Save and Apply. Okay, we see here that the port forwarding rule is already applied. Okay, let's check if we were successful. Okay, we'll open our port checker tool again. Port number to check 52,000 once again. The protocol TCP. Click Check Me, and now you see that our port is open on this computer. Let's check the UDP also. Okay, we have the same result once again. Okay, so the port 52,000 is now open on this computer. So we're done. Stay tuned, more examples with different routers are coming soon. Okay, thank you for watching.